Is that better?
Yeah.
I can't see.
Put your glasses on.
What?
Put your glasses on.
It doesn't help a distance.
Oh. Hi guys, and welcome to
HitchUpAndTow.
How are we all today? We shouldn't be here.
No, we're back and we shouldn't be. Because I think someone said last time we done a waffle that we weren't going to do an end of month.
No, we weren't.
So this is not an end of month waffle.
No, this is 29th of month waffle.
Yeah, so not quite the end of month. There are a few things we wanted to say, that's why we come on. One of them is we have a new edition.
We do. Pain in the butt
Hey,
edition.
where are you? Come here. Come here. Hold on. Someone wants to see you. You coming? She doesn't want to come on camera. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Whoa. Hello.
There we are.
Hello. What's this?
Who's this? What's this? Treats? Treats?
This is our little puppy who is only 11 weeks old.
She is.
And she weighs a ton.
And we've been given a little puppy treats. I don't know if you can see that. But apart from the puppy treats, she's gone through 2 massive bones.
And 3 tennis balls.
3 tennis
She's
balls.
actually eaten them.
So she's not so much a little puppy as what we were thinking.
A destructive animal.
She is
The
quite
house
big.
is an absolute mess, isn't it? So this is a new addition to the crew. And you might be seeing a bit more of her.
Yep. Luna, say hi.
And say, welcome to... No, she doesn't want that.
HitchUpAndTow.
I'll let you go. Off you go. Ah. So that's the new addition.
Yeah.
Also,
Actually Lauren's dog. Lauren wanted another doggy, and so we said she could have one.
yeah, she's a cross between a border collie and a hunterway. So, you know, quite an energetic dog.
Yeah, she's going to be pretty big by the size of her paws.
Very big, I reckon. But she's very good.
She is good. She's trained already. She was trained within 3 days.
Yeah, that's
3 days going outside.
house trained for 3 days.
Yeah.
Wasn't
She can sit, she can lie down, she can go up, and she can give you a paw, all within a week.
Well, a week and a half now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So she's brilliant,
Yeah.
really good. Anyway, we have been sent
Some mail.
some mail and a
parcel.
parcel.
What shall we do first?
I think we'll leave the parcel for a minute and we'll
Okay.
do the mail first.
Okay, do you want to do that one then?
Okay. Ooh, where's this from? USA.
I need my glasses.
It's got a nice little star.
Oh, if anyone didn't
there.
notice, do you like my new hat?
I think they probably noticed.
Yeah, you know why I'm wearing this, don't you? Bad hair day.
Ooh, and nice little card. As you probably see,
Who's it from? Who's it from?
Kevin Beck's Pino.
Is that a wine?
Pino? I don't know.
Pinot Grigio.
Oh, hang on, everything's fell out.
Let's see.
Flip the table.
Flip the table media. There we go. That's
Nice.
one sticker. Oh, that way. And we have another sticker. Put it up. You see that one?
Very nice. Thank you.
There we going in the sticker box.
Nice letter. I'm not going to read it all because it's pretty long, but thank you for that. We have read it, by the way. And a lovely card. It says, "Enjoy the journey, Kevin Beck's."
We will.
And it says, "A friend loves all the times." So that's quite nice. So thank you to you for that. Lovely.
We have another one here. This one is from, I'll put the stickers there. This one is from the UK. I think it's one of our followers. I hope they follow us anyway. I follow them. It's the Caravanning Macs.
Thank you to the Caravanning Macs for the sticker.
There we go. So that one will be going in the sticker book.
Yep, they're all going to our sticker book, our sticker folder.
Our famous sticker book.
Yeah, it's getting rather
We actually, I think we need another
we
one.
might need a new one, yeah.
Okay, do you want to do
Do
that
you know
one?
what? I'm glad we didn't put them in the caravan on like walls or anything, because the caravan would just be completely full of things. So thank you everybody, and if anybody would like a sticker swap, then please.
That looked quite good though, wouldn't it? The whole. Have
Yep.
you done the
Where's this
outside of
one
the
from?
caravan? That one from
Where's it from?
Oregon.
Oregon. Ooh. So thank you all the way from Oregon, and this is
Oh, it's a decal type, is it?
yeah. Ooh. This home likes to roam. So thank you to This Home Likes to Roam for your sticker.
Our home likes to roam as well.
Our home does likes to roam. And it's got a little, oh, that tells you how to put the sticker, but we won't be putting stickers on. They do go in our sticker book.
Even the decals, what we'll do is just leave out the decal and slide them in.
So thank you to you. They haven't actually said what the names are. I don't know if you know. Oh, hang on, what's this? So they're on Instagram, and it still doesn't say what their name is. But obviously you know who you are. But thank you to... Oh, yes, it does. We are Sam and Laura. So thank you to Sam and Laura from Oregon. There's a little thing there.
I'm sorry, we get confused with names anyway.
We do get confused. I can never remember one from the other.
You can't remember my name half the time.
Who are you again?
Exactly. Guess what she calls me most of the time. There we go. This is another one. That's the little. That's what came with. We got 2 stickers here. Both the same.
Right. It says, "Hi, thank you for the sticker swap.
Hello.
Safe travels from Helen and Martin." So thank you, Helen and Martin. Where are they from? Do we know?
Motorhome Tracks. They're UK based.
Thank you.
I'm not quite sure whereabouts in the UK, but they are UK based.
Are they?
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you guys. Thank you for your stickers. And don't forget, anybody wants a sticker, then please email the page. No, don't email the page, but you can email the page.
If you just email HitchUpAndTow@yahoo.com and say, we'd love one of your stickers, or we'd love a sticker swap, we'll get in touch and we'll get it sorted.
Yeah.
They're all free.
We're free. We're free. Also, you can email the page. We are also on Facebook, HitchUpAndTow, Coral and Mark, or Mark and Coral, whichever way around you want to do it. Also on Instagram.
We are.
So, and we're both on Instagram, so you can message either one of us. Now,
I done it.
I know, that's my thing. We have a parcel.
A box.
Yeah.
Don't watch out.
Oh, sorry.
People might know where we live and come and see us.
What's in the box?
Ooh.
It's exciting.
Oh, do you want to the card?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
We had already opened the box, so that's why, but we haven't really gone through it yet. We thought,
No.
oh, that looks interesting. This could be in the video.
Oh, right, so
And we've got an essay.
there's the card. So that might
Hang
be
on.
a bit of a clue.
Yeah, have a guess. Who's it from?
Can you think who that would be from? It says,
Free sticker to anyone who gets it right.
"Hi Mark and Coral, here are some goodies from across the pond."
So there you go. That's another
Second
clue.
clue. The cups turn blue when you put ice in them.
A third clue.
And there's some maple candy. We love maple candy over here, and we love maple. The Boston Tea Party ship and museum was lots of fun. Another clue maybe?
Well, it is if you've been watching their videos.
Yeah. But we thought it was a waste to throw it all overboard, so we've saved some for our dear friends back in the mother country. We hope you enjoy.
I'm sure I saw one of them throw a crate of tea overboard.
All our best, love.
Bob
Did
and
you
Debbie.
guess it? BluWave Odyssey, Bob and Debbie. Thank you guys. I love getting parcels.
Well, that's great, isn't it?
I'm all excited.
But I'll have to have the candy though.
Oh, well, I can have one. I'll try. So, yes, we have candy. So we have, what's it?
Maple.
Butternut Mountain Farm, Vermont Maple Sugar Company. Made with pure maple syrup. From Canada. Maple flavour drops. Wow. So I will...
I can't actually wait to try one of them.
I can't wait to try.
I'm not
Come
going to
on,
try
I think
one
you
now
should-
because I won't be able to talk for the
Why?
rest of the video.
Oh, you're such a spoil sport. So that's in there.
Oh, you can have one that might shut you up.
Then we have, ooh, BluWave Odyssey pen. Oh, this is nicer than our pens. Look at that, sparkly. That's mine. I'm Bagsy in this. Thank you, guys.
I think the dog has just ripped up the mat again.
I think she has ripped up the mat. I like that. It's all sparkly.
Yeah,
glittery.
how come you got
Thank
really
you.
horrible pens for us? I blame you.
Why do I get the blame?
Well, I'm not going to blame myself, am I?
Gee whiz, I bought them, bloody hell. Excuse me.
Beep.
Then we have, ooh, fine tea from the Boston Tea Party Ship and Museum.
I hope it's not the tea they pulled out of the ocean afterwards.
It's a special blend of killed green tea leaves.
Ooh.
Wow. Look at that, guys. Ooh, can't wait.
Do you know, it doesn't sound very British, but I haven't had proper tea in years.
No, I can't.
And when I say proper tea, I don't mean a building.
Does PG Tips not count then?
Well, not in a bag.
Oh, speaking of bags,
You've been through this box, haven't you?
I had a little look. We have 100 tea filters. Make your own tea bags. So I can't wait to try that. Easy fill flap, expanding base. Wow.
The dog's gone mad.
Dog's gone mental. So thank you guys for them. So that's on our agenda. Do you know what?
Is that green tea?
This kale green tea leaves.
Do you know who likes green tea?
Who likes green tea?
A certain person.
Really?
Yeah.
I think we have 2 of these.
Oh, we've got another one.
This one is Young Hyson, a light and sweet green tea. So they're both different. This is the other one. So we shall be giving them a try. And I think it might be another little vlog.
It might
when
be.
you make them.
Then I had to put my little pinky out.
Because that'll be... Oh, we don't have any china cups.
We do. Only couple.
We do have china cups. There you go. Another vlog coming, guys. And we have not 1, but 2 BluWave Odyssey beakers.
Do you know where they'd be nice?
In
On
our
that little
caravan?
table we've done.
Yes.
Filled with
Take
ice
them
and a
on
nice
holiday.
beer.
They're ideal for outside, aren't they?
They are.
Thank you, guys.
Thank
I
you.
love this.
I think Debbie actually noticed you were drinking a blue cocktail on holiday.
Oh.
So it'd even
that's...
bluer in there, wouldn't it?
It would be even bluer in there.
So
Thank you.
I don't.
Thank you, Bob and Debbie.
Yep.
I'm absolutely over the moon with them.
So I don't know how to make a tea bag though. I've never made one.
Well, it says it's easy, so
Okay, I'll give it a go.
yeah. And the instructions are on the back.
All right then. That's all right. That's fine.
Oh, but we haven't got a teapot.
We've got about 4 of them on the sill.
No, they're thingy ones. You can't use them.
You can't. Well, we've got teapots you can't use for tea and teapots you
Yeah.
can use for tea.
They're my collection of teapots. Can't use them.
So we have a collection of teapots, but we haven't got a teapot.
No. It's like you've got a collection of barbecues, but you can't use a barbecue. Just saying. Anyway, what's next on the agenda?
Next on the agenda is to rebuild the house after the dog has destroyed it. And we're away in just over a week's time.
Yes.
So we are heading up to Scotland.
Sunny Scotland.
Wow, yeah.
With a haggis roam free. Oh, that wasn't Scotland, was it?
Haggis roam free.
Yeah, I was trying to do a Scottish accent, but it didn't come out. Hook-eyed no.
You're going to lose us views doing that, you know. I do apologise.
Well, that's what they say, isn't it? Hook-eyed no.
Luna,
Don't know what that means.
stop eating the floor. God, what are you doing with that dog?
She'd say anything. I'm talking about eating anything. I'm sorry, guys. I know I got weighed today, but I'm going to have to try one.
We'll try one. Yeah, so we're up in Scotland in just over a week's time. So we'll be heading up the M6. And when we go on Sunday, the 10th, isn't it?
We do go on a Sunday.
Is it the 10th?
It is the 10th.
So we're on the road on the 10th.
It's
so
a
if you
maple leaf.
It is.
Look. I don't know if you can see that. It's a maple leaf. Sorry for disrupting you.
Stick it in. Might shut up now. So we'll be on the road on the 10th on Sunday. So if you do spot our rear, let us know. Take a picture, send it to the email address, which you should know by now, which is HitchUpAndTow@yahoo.com, and you can win a mug.
You can.
You
can win a mug.
Have another one.
Yes, we gave a mug away last time we were away.
We did. I can't remember who to now.
We were spotted.
Can you
Oh
remember
no,
this?
I can't remember. Sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah, we were spotted through the bushes.
Yeah, we had a peeping Tom. Was it Tom? No, I don't think it was Tom.
No. So if you do spot us while we're away, if we're on the road, then as I say, just take the picture. But if we're actually on a site and you spot us, come over and say hi.
Yeah.
We don't mind. We don't bite.
No, might even give you a maple drop.
Might give you a free sticker.
Don't reckon there'll be any maple drops left.
Very nice. Yes, but we'll give you a free sticker as well if you see us when we're
Yeah,
out.
so come and say hi. Be nice.
Yep. So not only could you win the mug, you're gonna see us.
Yeah.
And you're gonna get a free sticker,
So,
whether you want one or not.
Yeah. It's always a downside to winning a mug, I tell you. We're not going to mention where we're going because it's become a bit of a farce, really, a joke.
It's become a bit, yeah.
Yeah,
We never seem to get there.
It's now called the Scottish Place.
Yeah, which is a play on words. See what
A play on it's called a play, yeah.
Yeah. So as I say, if you see us, then come over and say hi. And I'm going to go on searching for stuff. So if you see us around the shops, then please say hi too.
Yeah. I'm frightened if you're expecting to see Luna, she won't be coming. At the moment, she's not very good travelling in the car. And she's,
No, she keeps being sick.
Yeah, and she's staying at home anyway. It's not fair to take a puppy that sort of distance. It's, 5-6 hours drive, so she'll be staying at home. But the
other one,
yeah,
Ruby,
Scruff.
the quiet one.
It's a quiet one.
Well, she barks a bit, but
A bit.
only when she hears the door.
Only when she's awake, yeah.
But yeah, she'll be coming with us. But I'm on the hunt for a haggis dressed as a Scotsman.
Why?
Because I want one. So whether it be on a key ring or whether it be...
What, a real haggis?
No.
No.
What was it between a real haggis dressed as a Scotsman?
What do you want haggis dressed as a Scotsman in the first place?
Because I want one. I have people that I need to send something to.
Okay. Well, you can go looking for a haggis dressed as a Scotsman.
Yeah.
So you want a haggis in a kilt with
I
some
want a
bagpipes.
That's true.
Because all Scotsmen are dressed in kilts and wear bagpipes.
Yeah, and
wear
don't forget-
bagpipes, carry bagpipes.
It needs a hat.
A hat.
And ginger hair.
You are really going to lose us views on this. I do apologise.
Don't apologise for me.
I need to. But yeah,
People like me.
so we'll be up there. So if you see us, say hi, and we'll give you a sticker.
We will.
Might even give you a cup of tea.
Oh yeah, with our new tea.
Never know.
Our new tea bags.
So until then, is there anything else?
No, I don't think so.
No.
No.
So until then,
If you like what you see,
give us one of these
please subscribe.
and leave a nice comment. Or just leave a comment. Doesn't have to be nice. I don't know.
No, it can be horrible. we don't mind.
So until next time.
See you soon, guys.
Bye.
Bye.